Let's choose the right AI model. Paintit.ai gives you 5 options for different workflows. The models vary in speed, editing accuracy, realism, and credit cost, so you can match the model to the task instead of using the same one every time. Nano Banana 2 Lite costs 3 credits. It's the fastest and most economical option, ideal for early concepts, style comparisons, color studies, and decor ideas, whenever you want to explore more directions with fewer credits. Nano Banana 2 costs 10 credits. It's the balanced choice for everyday interior redesign, repainting walls, changing floors or furniture, and refreshing an entire room with reliable quality at a practical cost. Nano Banana Pro costs 20 credits. It takes a little longer to generate, but gives you more control for detailed, complex changes involving several references, materials, or objects. Choose it when the result needs to follow a precise prompt while preserving the original scene. GPT Image 2 costs 15 credits. It follows instructions and detailed prompts very accurately, making it especially strong for controlled, step-by-step editing in natural language. Change the wall color, then replace the rug, then remove a single object, refining the same interior without restarting the concept. Seedream 5.0 Pro costs 10 credits. It takes the longest to generate, but it's built for expressive, polished realism, with strong attention to lighting, textures, and materials. It's a strong option for presentation images, advertising, furniture compositions, and visually rich interior scenes. Here's the takeaway. Start with Lite to explore ideas, use Nano Banana 2 for everyday redesign, choose Pro or GPT Image 2 when you need more control and precision, and use Seedream when visual quality matters more than generation speed. Try the model that fits your task, and in our next walkthrough, we'll compare all 5 on the same project. See you there.